You got like 33 minutes full of value. And download Viber. Viber is kind of like Skype. They're gonna ask you like if you wanna load money to it to make free phone calls anywhere in the world. You don't have to do that because that's not what we're using it for.
Okay.
And the video calls are actually free on Viber.
Oh, okay, cool.
So we're gonna try Viber. We're gonna try, I think Signal or some other thing. One of my other students told me something, so we'll try that.
Okay.
And then, yeah, we've got some time to experiment with that.
Good deal. All right. So,
what else? Okay.
Well, I'd like to try again between now and next week. Are you coming back on Monday or Tuesday of next week?
Well, no, next week we're actually taking a spring break.
Oh, okay.
So coming back on the 23rd or something. Let me, I can't remember date. So yeah.
Okay. Give me some good homework then.
Okay, so I'm gonna give you homework. I'm gonna firstly put those links to the videos you were talking about. I hope I have them. I'm pretty sure I do.
Okay.
Plus, I'm gonna give you the link to my YouTube channel, which is where I upload all my videos, all my lesson videos with students. I upload it there.
Okay.
And there are 3 playlists: beginners, intermediates, and advanced.
Okay. That'll help.
And so you can learn your little heart out during our vacation week.
Let's do it.
If you want to.
Yeah, I do. That'll work good.
All right. Yeah. Okay. Very good. Excellent. So how about the numbers? Like, do you have any special difficulties with the 100, 101, 102, 113? Do you want to practice those?
I was just starting those videos. That was the end of the first video, and I think 100 was, what was it, Centa or CM? What was it?
CN is 100, yeah.
Okay, CM, and then we said ciento y uno, ciento y dos, ciento y tres, ciento y cuatro, ciento y cinco, ciento y seis, ciento y siete, ciento y ocho, ciento y nueve, ciento y diez. Ciento y diez is 110. Okay. And ciento y once, ciento y doce, ciento y trece, ciento y catorce, ciento y quince.
Okay, great.
And that's where I stopped.
Okay, so you can continue that as like, you know, during the vacation week, in the weekend.
Okay.
It's good if you take a vacation because it's, you know, it's good to don't get burned out. But if you prefer to, go ahead and work on those things I'm writing on the screen now.
Work on numbers. Download Viper. Is it Viber or Viper? A Viber.
Viber.
Okay. And you're gonna send me a YouTube clip.
Yeah, I'm just doing those stuff on the screen. So yeah.
And then, all right, what kind of sentences can I create?
What I want you specifically to practice is transforming your thoughts from English to Spanish. Because you think in English and then you like try to translate it in your head, right? Let me record this bit. Oh, it's still recording. Okay, great. Okay. So right now, you're thinking in English. I went to the store, but there was no ice. How do I say that in Spanish? So you're kind of like, you know, looking for the words and putting it in your head, right? That's the process. So the purpose of you writing homework sentences is that you get a dry run, like you get to practice, take your time, nobody's judging you, you know, it doesn't take you too long. So that when you're in a real life situation, you can say it normally because you practiced it.
Right.
So, fui a la tienda, pero no estaba hielo.
No estaba hielo.
Fui a comprar helado de strawberry, pero no estaba. Fui a tu casa, pero no estabas.
Right.
Fui a la playa, or fui a la alberca, the pool, pero estaba mucha gente. So I didn't feel like being there. It's too crowded for my taste. So pretend you're talking to a person. Like, what would be your ideal scenario? You made friends with your neighbors. Right. You hang out with the building manager. Your landlady or land person family are really nice. So you go over for a cookout and you kind of try to speak Spanish with them. What would you say to them? Okay. Oh, you know, I went to Ensenada many times. It's so beautiful, but I didn't like the weather, right?
Yeah.
I want to travel more in Mexico. Think of your dreams conversation. What do you want to say? And then just write it down, practice it so that when you say it, you sound natural.
Yeah, I think the problem is I could start the conversation, but I couldn't. If she responded to me, I wouldn't know what she was saying, and I wouldn't know how to respond to that.
But that's always going to be a problem. It's going to be like a little period of time till you stop, you know, oh my God, they're speaking so fast. I don't understand anything, until it does click. There's that time frame where it's painful and awkward, but then it, you know, so all you have to do is swim through that time frame because it's unavoidable. Okay. But I am not able to make a country of 120 million people speak slow for you. It's out of my power.
Why not? Okay.
This is actually an advanced skill. So like once, you know, people know all the vocabulary, all the things they need to know, that is a whole different playing field. And there's a whole different set of techniques.
Oh, wow.
And methods we practice, because you're going to see on my YouTube channel,
right,
the advanced students who have learned in Duolingo for 3 years, who have learned with me for 2 years, right? They still say people speak very fast.
Oh, wow. And
so the last lesson that I had yesterday, I'm uploading it today, actually. You're going to be able to see it today.
Right.
We're discussing memorization techniques.
Right.
So that people can remember those 5 words of estaba, and 5 words of fui, and 5 words of voy, and 5 words of estoy, and all the verbs, and all the other stuff.
Right, right.
So I understand, it's understandable you get like frustrated and uncomfortable and they speak so fast.
Right.
It's just the playing field, you know, you have to swim through it.
It is what it is. It's going to be there.
Right. So your assignment number 3 is I want you to practice saying out loud the numbers.
Okay.
Because that's going to improve your pronunciation. You're gonna not feel weird or awkward when you say that.
Okay.
Right. The verbs. You're pretty good on the verbs. Like your pronunciation is pretty good.
Okay. Good.
It's just everything we've been through, like everything we've learned and all the things that you know how to say. I want you to also like take time during the week. Practice saying them out loud.
Okay.
Because that's gonna make you
more confident,
like feel more natural, you know?
Yeah. Yeah. That's what I need.
Yeah, you want to feel, it's kind of like giving a toast at a wedding, right? Like you definitely say it up in front of the mirror a few times before you go and say it in front of everybody.
Salute.
Salute.
Zdrovia.
There you go. Yeah, at least you know how to say that in Russian.
Yeah.
Let me find, I'm looking for another document. Okay. Let me give you something more. I don't want to give you too much, so I definitely want you to enjoy some downtime. But I will give you enough, and you take your time, like deciding.
Yeah, I just do a little bit every night, just a little bit.
A little bit every night. Okay. Yeah. So now I'm gonna put in the formulas of like the list of things we already know how to say because we worked on them.
Okay.
I want you to see it in writing and to have it on the screen as reference. So this is topic number 1.
I am action. You are action. We are action. Location. Etc. Estoy, estás. Plus the root verb plus the amen. Okay. Estoy. Okay. So that's
and of course.
That's a review of what we. That's a review of the endings. Diciendo.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly.
Ando and yendo tenses. Voya, vas, voya. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. What else? Wait. Gonna give you a few more. I can give you a list of like random vocabulary words or something. What would you like to, like just some connection words, vocabulary words? Would you like those?
Sure.
Yeah. Again, only so I don't overload you or overwhelm you with things.
Yeah.
All right. The next formula is one of the funnest ones. How to start your sentence with a question: when, where, how come, how much, why, and then that's like you put you attach those words to one of the formulas, and now like you're exploded your vocabulary, triple the size, because now you can say 3 times more the things you know how to say just by putting why did you go, why were you there, like when were you there. Okay. Estaba en la tienda. ¿Cuándo estabas en la tienda? ¿Por qué estabas en la tienda? ¿Dónde estaba la tienda?
Okay.
Where was the store? ¿Dónde estaba la tienda? Right? So it's like a really easy, like effort-free way to expand your vocabulary.
I like
using one of those words. Yeah.
That's good. Okay.
Okay, great. Yeah. Let me see if I can do some more for you. Fui fuiste. And of course, you got the fui fuiste words. Let me put some vocabulary on.
That should do it. I'm off to yoga.
That should do it, right?
My head hurts.
Okay.
Are you going to check your messages during the week or just nothing?
I'll try not to. Okay. I'll try not to. Don't message me.
I'll leave you alone. I won't bother you.
It's not a bother. I just want to, disconnect. It's really good and healthy for me.
Yeah, I understand.
Okay. And then finally, before you go, I'm going to give you the YouTube channel link, and you can enjoy. YouTube, for some reason, it's kind of hard to find my channel. Oh. You just can click on this link, and you will gonna able to access it directly.
Oh, okay. Perfect.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Nos vemos.
Nos vemos.
See you. Nos vemos. Una semana más.
Almost, what?
And nos vemos in una semana, a week más. I'll see you in a week more.
Okay.
All right. Happy spring.
Happy vacation. How do you say vacation?
Vacación.
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 Yeah. Thank you.
Bye, Keith.